So, I've recently bought this wireless PCMCIA card adapter from AliExpress for my old Compaq Evo N610C, which does not have a wireless card built in. Originally, I was thinking of buying one of these small wireless USB adapters, but I was concerned that they may not have worked because all of them officially require something like Windows 7 New to work, and I'm still running Windows XP. And about a week later, it arrived from China. So in this video, I will be showing you where to download the drivers and how to install them on your computer and how to configure the card. And I will also be showing you a review of this product, seeing how well it works. Where to download the drivers. Go ahead and click on the link in the description, which brings you to this page. This is where we will be downloading the drivers. Scroll down and click on this link. You will be brought to a MediaFire download page. Just click on the blue download button and wait until it's downloaded. Once it's done downloading, extract the zip file and double click on the setup file. The installation wizard will open. Click next. Choose the destination where you want to install it. I recommend going with the standard install destination. Click next again, and then click on install. A hardware installation warning may appear, just click on continue anyway. In my case, I didn't got this message. After it's done installing, click finish. Now insert the card into PCMCIA slot. It should find the drivers we just installed automatically. If not, check the descriptions for instructions. Configuration. Go ahead and double click on the wireless client utility icon in the bottom right tray of your taskbar. The utility will open. To connect to a network, just click on the Site Survey tab and choose the network you wish to connect to. In the Link Information tab, you can see some information about the network you're connected to. Review. I will be rating this product on the following categories. Speed. Speed is average. Most of the time the download speed was under 10 megabits and the upload speed was under 5 megabits. I will rate speed with 3.5 stars. Connectivity. This card supports wireless A, B, G, and N, so it's actually pretty up to date as far as that goes. I'll rate it 5 stars. Range. The range is excellent. It even picked up my neighbor's Wi-Fi network for a second. I'll rate it 5 stars too. Stability. It seems to have a stable Wi-Fi connection most of the time. I'll rate it 4 stars. Wireless utility. The wireless utility is sometimes a bit unresponsive, and every time I remove the card or shut down my laptop, it forgets the Wi-Fi network I was connected to. To actually make it remember Wi-Fi networks, you first have to manually add the profile tag. I'll just give it 3 stars for now. Hopefully this will give you an idea of what you will be getting if you're thinking of buying one for yourself. I would also like to point out that this thing actually gets pretty hot, especially the first time when I plugged it in. Anyway, thanks for watching.